guys, today I'm with my alt account and we're going to teach you how to do Kyoto combo. It's fairly simple. Also, you will want to have auto activate off while doing this because it makes it easier to pull off a Kyoto combo. Say hi alt account. Wait a minute. Say hi alt account. It's not like it can. It's an alt account, of course. What the? What the? Anyway, anyways, this is how you do it. While in the flowing water, you will want to have the stream while you're pressing it, since auto activate is off, so you can do it quicker. Next, right when you hear the last punch of flowing water, side dash and then immediately do little whirlwind stream tiny bit after. And that's how you do Kyoto.